When you think of wealth management, what comes to mind? Investing? Stocks? Mutual funds? 401ks? That's all true, but it's really only one piece of the puzzle. The goal should always be to maximize a client's after-tax, after-expense dollars, what we call spendable wealth. Therefore, to have truly effective wealth management, you have to consider these 4 core pillars: investments, taxes, legal coordination, and risk management. Since traditional financial firms cannot provide tax advice, true risk management services, nor legal coordination, they fail to maximize a client's spendable wealth. At Union Bridge Capital, we're taking an integrated approach by bringing all the pillars of wealth management under one roof. That's why we've developed the Total Wealth Equation. It's set up like this: investments minus taxes, plus or minus legal coordination, plus or minus risk management, equals total spendable wealth. We call it the Total Wealth Equation because each core pillar is a variable. They work as a sliding scale to increase or decrease attention to that particular planning area. The equation changes from person to person based on stages of life or current financial situation, but the end result remains the same: to maximize spendable wealth. Everyone's situation is different, so you need a more bespoke approach. Take, for instance, Calvin. He's retiring and he's thinking about the wealth he wants to pass on to his family. We might want to scale down the level of investment and scale up the taxes pillar so he can start drawing money from his 401k and IRA without taking a huge tax burden. We'd also scale up the legal side of things as he forms some trusts for the wealth he plans to pass on. Or maybe we can look at Stephanie. She's selling her software company for a healthy chunk of change. She used to have a huge life insurance policy, Risk, because she was one of only 2 people responsible for developing this company. Now we can scale that back. She also wants to leverage this windfall to pay dividends for the future, literally and figuratively. In that case, it'd make sense to scale up her investment pillar. We start with the goals you have in mind and reverse engineer a custom total wealth equation strategy to fit your needs. The Total Wealth Equation is the answer to personalized, integrated, and optimized wealth management.